Hello everyone. Welcome to Get BIM Ready in 120 minutes. We are doing this workshop for you, for your career enhancement. Why? You all must have heard a lot about BIM, this is BIM, that is BIM. Have you ever experienced hands-on practice on BIM software focusing at BIM output? In these 120 minutes, you will go from 0 to 100 when it comes to BIM. We'll start with what is BIM, we'll talk about BIM standards, and we will also make you do a BIM project of a famous building called Gandhi Ashram Smarak designed by Charles Fourier. So you are going to make a model of it, and then you will also get output in terms of drawings, in terms of BOQs, in terms of 3D. These 120 minutes will give you exposure and confidence to face the world when it comes to BIM skills. Why we are doing it? Because there are many offices, architecture and interior design offices who are on BIM, and they want people like you who can design good with BIM skills. Don't miss out this opportunity. We are free only for first 100 participants. So make sure you are in first 100 and also make sure that your friends are also in first 100. Don't wait. Click register button now. Thank you. See you at the workshop.